Mag-create ka ng isang manager. Meron ka bang staff pero walang manager? Yung lahat ng tao, lahat ba sila naka-report sa'yo directly? Let me tell you about June and Mylene who run a chicharon business. Ang problema nila, lahat ng staff nagka-report sa kanila. Yung taong nagfa-fry ng chicharon, yung nagpapak ng orders, yung delivery helper, lahat sa kanila direkta. Now, managing all staff directly, June and Mylene, they felt like they were juggling a dozen tasks at the same time, no? Iba-iba. Tapos dumating yung oras na June had to step away for a family matter. Nako, nagkagulo-gulo. Yung mga shift, hindi na na-schedule ng mabuti. Yung mga supplies, nako, nagkaubusan na. And yung mga orders, nagka-delay-delay. At syempre, dumami ang mga complaints, nagkapatong-patong. So the staff, actually, they were hardworking. Pero they were just trained to follow instructions and not to make decisions. Kaya si June and Mylene natuto. Na-realize nila na yung negosyo nila could not run without them. Kailangan nila ng isang manager who can oversee the operations. And so, they chose their most reliable staff member and started training them. Not just giving a title, but teaching how to schedule shifts, track inventory, handle cash, resolve customer issues, at kung paanong mag-train ng mga bagong hires. They also gave authority. Kapag merong problema na lumabas, decide muna bago mo sabihin sa amin. So for the first month, June and Mylene worked closely with the new manager, guiding decisions, tapos nire-review nila yung processes. And after 3 months, yung manager could run the shop independently na. Si June at si Mylene now check in occasionally without being involved in every small decision. Anak, ito ang lesson. Hindi mo kayang i-scale ang isang negosyo kung bawat task ay kailangang mag-report pa sa iyo. Train a trusted staff member to think like a manager and i-hand over natin yung responsibility dahan-dahan. You will see that your business will start to run smoothly even when you're not there. Kaya, let's be business-minded, Pinoy.